Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Simplex, a popular fiat-to-crypto on-ramp found at https://www.simplex.com. Simplex acts as a payment processor, allowing users to purchase a variety of cryptocurrencies using traditional payment methods like credit and debit cards. This service is integrated directly into numerous cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets, streamlining the process of acquiring digital assets. While convenient, it's important to be aware that Simplex typically charges higher fees compared to other on-ramp solutions. These fees can vary based on factors like your location, the chosen payment method, and the specific cryptocurrency being purchased. It's always wise to compare prices before committing to a transaction to ensure you're getting the best possible deal. Simplex emphasizes security and regulatory compliance, which contributes to the slightly higher costs. They employ robust fraud prevention measures to protect both users and the platforms they partner with. This focus on security offers peace of mind, especially for those new to the crypto space. Navigating the Simplex purchase process is generally straightforward. The interface is user-friendly, and the steps are clearly outlined within the platform where you initiate the purchase. You'll typically be asked to provide some personal information for verification purposes, which is standard practice for most financial services. While the slightly higher fees might be a deterrent for some, the ease of use and enhanced security features make Simplex a viable option, especially for smaller purchases or users prioritizing a seamless and secure transaction. Remember to always double-check the fees displayed before confirming your purchase. If you have any questions or experiences using Simplex, feel free to share them in the comments below. I always enjoy hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.